Hello and welcome. My name is Seshu and I'm part of Net Experts Academy. In this video, I am going to demonstrate how to do RDP access. Okay. So right now we have a Windows 2019 server and here I already enable RDP so that I just want to assign one of the public IP to this server. So let's say that it is 89.98.99.5. And I'm going to give you RDP access, which is port number 3389. So how you are going to do the RDP access? So from outside, this is my Windows 11 PC, and from here I'm trying to do RDP access. So before you get into the RDP access, first of all, let's go to my Windows 2019 server. Let's check that whether RDP is enabled or not. Let's go and see. So I'm trying to access my Windows 11, which is here. This is my Windows 11, this is my Windows 2019. So for that, first of all, the verification will be whether the RDP is open or not. Go to server manager. Okay, just close this. Go to the local server, and you guys can see here the remote desktop. You're able to see here. Just it's a disable. So allow this connection. Say OK, and just add everyone. Okay, guys. This is for only demo purpose only. Say OK. Say OK, apply and close. And in case if you're like any firewall is anything is open, sometimes you may find a challenges, but right now you can see here the defender. Okay, it's actually on. So in case if you want to do something, then simply what you can do, you can just go to the advanced settings. Let's see here, what are the advanced settings. You can see here it's open. So right click here, then after that go to the properties, and here inbound connection by default it's blocked, so you can say allow. And here for private profile, simply say allow. For public profile, you can simply say allow. Then after say apply. That's it. Then you can say okay. Clear, guys? And some people, what they are going to do, they are going to write a rule. Allow. For example, somebody they are going to write a rule allow RTP, so that when you're trying to access from outside, then server what it will do, it's going to check these rules. You get my point, guys? Now let's close this guy. Let's close this guy. Now is everything is fine. There is no other challenges here. Everything is looks good. Then now what I'm trying to do now, I'll go to my Cisco router, which is in customer A. There I'm going to enable one public IP. So what I'm trying to do here, so this is my lab topology. Now just open my console. Then here in customer A location, when somebody comes with that, with the public IP, which is 89.98.99.5, and port number, let's give you randomly, okay, 9003, then I'm going to transfer to 3389. That's what I'm going to do. So how you can do this? It's very simple and straightforward. IP NAT inside source static. Then here, what is the connection type? So the protocol that I'm going to use, TCP. What's your inside local IP address, which is 192.168.1. And the first PC1 is 11, 12 and 13, right guys? 13. Then after that, give question mark. What is the port number, local port number, which is 3389, the real port number. Then after that, what's your global IP address? The global IP address is 89.98.99. Already 4 I used, I'm going to use 5. Then what's the port number? So I'm going to say 9001. Then hit enter. That's it. Now if you type do show IP NAT translations, now you can see here there is one entry which is created there. Where is that entry? Let's go and see that. Where is that entry? which is here. You get my point, guys? So if anybody comes to your router with this public IP 89.98.99.5 with this port number, I'm going to translate with this private IP and with this port number, the real RDP port. You get my point, guys? And I have enabled already NAT inside my Cisco router on port number E0 by 1, which is my inside NAT, and E0 by 0, which is my outside NAT. In case if you miss my previous videos, you just go through it and you can check how I did the configurations. Okay, guys. And initially I have configured the PAT. Then after that I enable the telnet server, and I have shown to you how to assign dedicated public IP to my telnet server. Then after that I did the port redirection. Then after that I'm going to show it to you this RDP section. So if you are going to follow all these videos, then you are going to get a complete idea, guys. Okay, now what I'm trying to do now, let's go to my Windows 11 PC. Okay, let's minimize everything. Then here, this is my Windows 11 PC. This is at the customer A, I mean customer B, and from here I'm trying to do RDP to my head office. How? Just go here, go to the run and type here mstsc. Now it will ask you, hey, I want to establish a RDP connection. So you need to type the computer IP address 89.98.99.5. Then after that, when you hit connect, it will throw you an error. It will tell you, sorry, buddy, I'm not going to give you permission. Why? Because we clearly mentioned to our Cisco router, if anybody comes with 89.98.99.5 colon 9001, then only I'm going to establish that connection. You get my point, guys? He's tried, but unfortunately, he's not able to log in. Now, what I'm going to do now, colon, directly you can type 9001, enter. Now, let's try. It's asking, hey, perfect, man. What is the username? So I'm going to say more choices here. Use different account. Then I'm going to say username is administrator. Okay. Then what's the password? Say okay. Say yes. Congratulations. Now you guys can see here. I'm able to access that server. It's log out. You can see here. It's log out, guys. Now this is the server. Now what I'm trying to do here, I'm trying to open the C drive, and there I'm going to create one folder so that you can able to understand whether I'm able to access it or not. Open the C drive. Then I'm going to create new folder, and I'm going to say Seshu creation. Then after that, open and put one text file inside that. Yeah, configure one text file, test one. So here I'm going to say this is net experts. I'll say net experts academy. I'm sorry for it, guys. Then that's it. Then I'm going to close this, save, perfectly fine, close. Now what I'm trying to do now, once my work is over, I'm going to disconnect this connection. Yes. Now move back to my Windows 2019 server for verification. Say login. That's it. Now open C drive. See, it has created Seshu creation, and this is the folder that is configured. You get my point, guys? So it's very simple and straightforward. But always, if you have the basic idea, what is port number, what is the local IP, what is the destination IP, and what is static NAT, and these are all things are going to be very, very easy, guys. You don't need to do so much efforts on that. I hope this has been informative, and I would like to thank you for viewing.